Welcome back to my channel guys. I'm gonna give you 7 tips for a perfect sari look. It's going to be a beginner's guide. So let's start the video. So first thing you always have to do before draping your sari is wear your favorite heels. You can go with these type of peep toe heels. Saris are at their best when you pair it with heels. These are the different peep toe heels which make you so elegant and stylish in saris. Next type we have stilettos. Stilettos makes you look so beautiful in saris. They are the best. Third option we have wedges. Wedges are the most comfortable heels in the world. If you are the one who is not comfortable with stilettos and peep toes, you can definitely go with wedges. These also make you look very beautiful in saris. Next option we have is for those who are not comfortable with high heels. These include flip-flops or flats. They are less expensive and make you so relaxing. Second thing we have different sari pins. There are different types of sari pins available in the market, like these which I am showing right now, U pins. When you make front pleats of sari, always make sure you use U pins. They are so comfortable and very easy to use. Different colors of U pins are available, but at least you should have two colors. They are golden and silver, which goes with most of the saris. Next we have brooch pins. If you have simple saris, you can always use these brooch pins. In brooches also you get different colors, but here I have only two colors. One is golden and one is silver. Golden and silver color are the colors which at least you should have. Let me show you how to use these brooches. You can use these brooches especially for the pallus as the shoulder pins. Next I have this silver color brooch. It's so beautiful because all over we can see silver stones. Always use these type of brooches with your plain saris. They will make you so beautiful. Next we have common safety pins. In safety pins also you get different types. Here I have two types. One is normal one and another one golden safety pin. Instead of normal ones you can use these golden safety pins. Let me show you what difference it makes. Some are not able to pin their pallu from inside, so they can use this trick. Here I am pinning the blouse from outside. Let's see which looks more beautiful. Yes, it's the golden one. Try to keep all these pins in a small box so that whenever you get ready, you find them easily. Next tip is especially for those who are not able to do different types of hairstyles. You can use different accessories like these hair juda pins. I have these two golden color hair juda pins. You can use these for bun hairstyle types. Next we have these hair U pins. These are also used for bun hairstyle types. They make your hair look so beautiful without any hairstyle. You can style these in this way. Next we have this simple hairpin, which can be used for sideways hair pinning and simple open hairstyle types. Keep all the hair accessories together like the way I am doing now. It will surely help you. Next tip we have a complete jewelry set with bangles. Many of us find difficult to buy different jewelries for different colored sarees. So what you can do is you should have at least two color jewelry sets. One is golden and one is silver. The simple jewelry set includes one neck piece, earrings and a mang tikka. As you can see here, I have a golden jewelry set with silver stones, which will go with almost all the sarees having golden color. So always make sure you have this type of one golden jewelry set in your wardrobe. Mang tikka is optional because some of us don't like mang tikka to pair up with the saree, but if you pair it, it also looks so beautiful. Next we have silver color jewelry set. This also includes the same thing, a neck piece, mang tikka and a pair of earrings. So right now I'm showing you a mang tikka. This is actually my DIY mang tikka, which I'll show you in my next coming videos. And this neck piece, it's a choker necklace. Silver jewelry set also goes with almost all sarees, especially with those sarees which has silver color stones or silver color work. So always make sure you have a complete silver jewelry set. So as I said earlier, bangles also should include in a complete jewelry set. So you should have two sets of bangles, one is golden set and one is silver set. You can get an idea from what I am showing right now. Keep all these things in a single small pouch or small bag so that you can find them very easily whenever you want. Next tip we have hair extensions. This tip is specially for those who have curly hair. If you don't want to use straighteners for your hair, you can definitely go with this type of hair extensions. I have ordered this hair extension from Amazon. You can get a quick ready-made hair without wasting your time in hairstyles. Its quality is also so good, it will definitely make you so beautiful in sarees. It comes with 4 to 5 clips with the help of which you can fix on your hair. So these are some pictures where I have used hair extension. It's very easy to use. If you are the one who don't have time to make different hairstyles, especially for functions or any other days, you can definitely go with this type of hair extensions. Different types are available. This is the straight hair extension. Curly hair extension is also available. Next tip, ready-made sarees. So this tip is specially for those who doesn't even have time to drape their saree. These sarees comes with ready-made pallu and front pleats. You can wear it within 2 minutes. But if you already know to drape your saree yourself and want some tips, I have made a video. You can definitely go and watch. I'll give link in description box below. Next tip we have artificial gajra. If you want to create any traditional sari look, you can use gajra, which will give you perfect traditional look. Every time you don't need to buy gajra from the market because now artificial gajra is available. Different types are available: mogra flower gajra, bun gajra and many more. Once you buy these, you can use it multiple times. It's very less expensive and quality is also so good. You can buy these from Amazon. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you like all the tips and tricks which I have given in this video. For any doubts, you can just ask me in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for latest video updates. Thank you.